Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your default language setting in West Game 2. To change your default language setting in West Game 2 is super easy. First of all, launch open the game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. This will open up the basic info section. Tap on the More button at the bottom right and click on Settings. On the next page where it says More, go ahead and scroll down and click on the Language Change option. Now select a different language of your preference you want to switch or change to and tap on OK. Doing this will immediately change your display language setting to your preference. After you do that, you will be able to see your display language setting changed immediately. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.